Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. In this video, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of the design specs. For the more detailed review, it will be out probably a few days later, because as you can hear, my voice is not right. It is called a heavy cold, and right now my voice sounds like a rooster crowing. So I will just give you my first impression, and for in-depth one like camera comparisons, battery, performance, the things you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button, make it at least to 150k subscribers. I love you guys. Now without further ado, let's get to the design. Alright, so here you go. That's the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. I would say pretty standard Xiaomi design, right? So at the bottom we see there's some cartridges, Type-C and speaker. To the right side we have the volume rocker and the power key. I think the biggest change would be this rear back. Now it features this 2.86 inch rear back panel, a second display, which is fun. Let me just show you the gesture controls. As you can see, actually the screen dims a little bit. That's because it's locked. You can just double press to unlock it, and then you can swipe right to enter this camera interface, and then you can use this back panel as a selfie, mirror or something, and that's great. And then you will own probably the best selfie camera ever. And swipe from the edge to the left, and then you exit the camera, and then you can also just press and hold the screen to change whatever wallpaper you prefer. And swipe down, notifications if has any. Swipe up, no. So that's basically the gesture control, pretty much like a smart watch or smart band or something. And that's great because you can turn the voice on display like on the front. So even the screen is like locked, you can still just use this back as a as a notification reminder or something, also to check out the time or something. That's convenient. What do you think? And now let me just give you a quick walkthrough of the specs. So for the display, it's 6.9 inch flat LTPO AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 3500 nits peak brightness. That's quite bright. So even if you use like under direct sunlight outdoors, it wouldn't be a problem at all. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's a 3nm processor. And for the camera system, it's triple 50 megapixel Leica system. The main lens is 950L. And the launch event is this camera has like the best backlight performance. So I will definitely check out that in my full review a bit later. Again, subscribe. And the biggest difference comparing to the Xiaomi 17 Pro is this Pro Max comes with this 5x periscope telephoto. So yeah, I can never test that. For the battery and charging, it comes with 7500 milliamp Jinsajang battery. That's crazy. That's just crazy. So 100 watts wide charging and 50 watts wireless charging. And for that 100 watts fast wide charging, it supports PPS 100 watts in the standard fast charging protocol. So basically, if you use other brands adapter or charger, you can still charge the Xiaomi 17 Pro in 100 watts speed. That's quite staggering, right? And the starting price is approximately 8,042 US dollars for 12 gigs plus 512 gigs storage. So now my first impression, wow. Phones have been pretty boring for the last couple of years, right? And for Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, they might have just pulled out something new that makes you want to stop and look. The craftsmanship feels seriously premium. The screen is gorgeous with 4 equal, super slim bezels. And especially the back panel, they've done something really interesting with it. Then there is the massive battery with practical tech. The 7500 milliamp battery is the largest ever in Xiaomi flagship. And there's definitely more to show, like the camera performance. And get this, there's even a dedicated phone case that lets you play some retro games. So much more fun. All of that will be in my next in-depth review. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. Will see you in the next one. Bye bye.